Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of DYangBass. It is a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning, as you can see in the back here. We are about to do some smallmouth fishing. I know I'm late in the game of smallmouth fishing of this season, but it's because I've been having fun catching multi-species, and I just wanted to make the time to do some smallmouth fishing for you guys. That being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let's catch some fish and have a good time. Stay tuned. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a bunch of deer running around. Holy smoke. Get out right there running. Like crossing the river. Check it out. Nice. Oh, dude, Smalley, jeez. That's big Smalley. Oh my gosh, dude. He didn't quite want it. Big Smalley, dude. Big Smalley. Stay by this tree here so you can't see me. Wow. Got him. Little guy. I knew something was there. No, dude. Oh, jeez. Relax. Oh, jeez. Oh, my gosh. I clicked my bell. Oh, man. I'm so rusty. Freaking blew up hard as heck. Oh yeah, the fish are pretty warm. Go hit top water. Nice. First Smalley in this river. There we go. First Smalley. Come back. Dang, I knew there was a fish there. I just couldn't. Oh jeez, I just couldn't get it in the right spot, you know. All right, let's see if there's anything here. Ugh. Let's see, right? It's only 6:30. It's very early in the morning. There we go. Wow, that was so subtle. It's a nice one. Back hook, back hook, back hook. That was so subtle. I didn't even hear him. Jeez. That was such a subtle bite. It's crazy. I mean, they're there. There's a lot of multiple casting. Repetitive casting. Not big, but still very fun fish. Oh, jeez. She got one. What the heck? Whoa. Wow. From a meg draft. Oh, nice. Dude. I think we crushed a meg draft today. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. The meg draft. I didn't think he was there. Oh my goodness, that's a nice bass. Keep him in the water real quick. There we go over there. What the heck are you doing in ankle high water, man? That's crazy. in the water. I can take this thing out with pliers. Definitely gonna keep that in my pocket with these troubles. Relax, relax. Oh, jeez, my rod. Dude, you broke my rod. Oh, bro. Dang. There goes my trip. My good old poison adrenaline rod. Dang, dude. There goes my nice rod. My collectible rod. See ya, buddy. Oh, that's the end of it. I didn't bring no baitcaster with me. Snap my rod. My good old poison adrenaline rod. Look, it broke. Dang, that's sad. Oh gosh, that sucks so bad. Well, let's see if we can still catch fish with the broken rod. Man, that sucks. Yep, we're gonna try to keep fishing the broken rod. Gonna make the best of this day now. That's all we got. This is all we got. Oh my goodness. I mean, that was my fault, honestly. I should have never put that fish in that situation. I should have just, I don't know, held on to him or something. Whoa, 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 dude. What the hell? Oh, jeez. Freaking Smalley came up right to my foot. There we go. That's a nice bass. Oh my gosh. That's a very big bass. What is that? Oh, that's a nice bass. Stay on. Oh, jeez. That's a nice bass. Oh, gosh. Oh. Whoa, dude. That's a big bass. Oh, my God. Oh, stay. Oh, my gosh. Stay. Oh, dude. My goodness. Wow. That's a big... That's a big bass. Wow. And I got a broken rod. All right, so we can do this right this time. All right, guys, we just caught ourselves a nice, big freaking smallmouth bass. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. Look at the beautiful color. Look how brown it is. Gold. Wow, dude. Man, that's crazy. All right, catch your bass. On a broken rod. My life right now, guys, like literally my life. On broken rod, fishing a mag draft. A swim bait, mag draft right here. Fishing a broken rod. One of my very own hard worked collectible rod that I cherish so much. Like, I caught so many smallmouth bass with this rod right here. This combo is just, dang, man. But hey, we caught ourselves a big bass, so it's worth it. Got another one. Yep. Not that big, but still. It's a freaking runner. Oh, jeez. This little dude. Look at him. Come on, shake it off, shake it off. Ah! Man, it's crazy. Unbelievable. Like, just crushing swim bait. Look, the size of them. Insane. My guide just broke, guys. Guide is completely off. I'm gonna fish until this rod is done for, man. Whatever, dude. Oh gosh. No guy. There we go. There we go. Yep, that's a big one. I think it is. The rod is broken, so I can't tell. Oh my gosh, huge. That's a big bass. Oh my gosh. Big bass, big bass. Dude, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. It's massive. Oh my gosh. Look at that fish, dude. Oh. And it popped off. Oh my gosh. Whoa, dude. Keep it in the water. See if I can do this again. Guys, we just caught an absolutely behemoth. Like, look at this fish. Look at this fish. Oh, dude. That is a nice freaking smallmouth bass. Wow, look how long it is. At least like 19-inch. Dude, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. That is a beautiful smallmouth. Keep him in the water. I'm gonna go ahead and release her. What a beautiful, stocky smallmouth bass. Insane. Alright, let's let her go. Enough. Wow, do one last look. Look how, jeez, yep, she's gone. She's ready. Dude. Alright guys, so I'll make a closure here because I have no other option. Like, I'm out of option right now. Like I said, I'm missing the first foot or so of my rod. My guides are all bent. It's all messed up, and there's just nothing I can do. You know, there's just nothing I can do, and that's okay. Sometimes, oh geez, sometimes it's just how it goes. You know, we caught bass. We executed. We caught them on a broken rod, one of my collectible rod that I had bought a long time ago. I think it was like 2015, 2014, something like that. Yeah, it sucks. It hurts me because I worked really hard to buy this rod back in the day. It is what it is. I broke it on a fish, so I can't say that I broke it on a car door or broke it on a rock, whatever. Like, stepping on it, I broke it on a fish. So I caught hundreds of fish with this rod, and that's okay. Just gonna move on and keep fishing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys very soon again for some smallmouth bass. Peace.